This alone is a moment. Let's take a moment and bow down to this right now. Okay, moment of silence. All right, snap out of it, Cheryl. Here we go. We're moving on up. Hi, everyone. It's Cheryl, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day. You want to know why? Because we are unboxing the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Treasure Chest Advent Calendar for 2025. And let me tell you something. I'm not just unboxing it. I'm giving this exact, that's right, Advent calendar away to one of you, my loyal subscribers, assuming that you have pressed that subscribe button. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you already know, okay? Charlotte Tilbury is one of my favorite brands of all time. I have every single product, oh, not every, I would say 80% of it. I'm going to give it to you. You're going to experience this for yourself because you deserve it. And especially because this calendar is truly magical. What you have to do to enter this giveaway: 1, as always, you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. 2, like this video, the thumbs up, click on that. 3, share this video to your, ends with a gram, the other platform, stories, okay? Your IG stories. And make sure you tag me at Cheryl Burke so I can see it. 4, share this video with a friend or maybe your followers, someone who loves Advent calendars, maybe beauty lovers. Last but not least, make sure you comment below your top 5. Normally I ask just for 1, but I'm asking now for your top 5 makeup products you cannot stop reaching for in 2025, since this year, folks, is about to come to a close. I cannot believe it. Now, let's get to the fun part and open this treasure chest, shall we? This packaging is just gorgeous. You know I'm all about the packaging. It's giving holiday glam. It's giving, I should have worn something sparkly for this, Cheryl. Well, I put it on my eyes instead. Does that count? Drawer number 1. We are starting strong. First of all, look at how they carved all that out. I mean, whoever created this, props. This is the iconic lip cheat in Pillow Talk medium. I would say this is a universal flattering, slightly deeper rosy nude that creates, lifted, sculpted lip shape. This is like a first layer of your lips. This lip liner alone makes the calendar worth it because Pillow Talk is basically the Beyonce of lip shades. I said it and you heard it here first. Drawer number 2. The detailing is just fascinating. I love it so much. This makes my heart so happy. This is the travel size Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser. Basically a nourishing cleanser that melts off makeup. This is perfect to use after you double cleanse, right? Your first step would be to use an oil cleanser, and then you would go in with a cleanser like this. It's great for winter. You know I'm a fan of Charlotte Tilbury skincare. So anything to do with her skincare, sign me up. Next, we've got drawer. This is not numbered, by the way, but I'm assuming that we're just going to go in line here. Yes, folks, this is the full size. We've got 2 out of 3 now. Full size collagen lip bath in Pillow Talk, and it is stunning. Like all caps, stunning. It gives that plumped, glazed, juicy lip effect you don't have that sting. You don't have that plumping, whatever formula that is in most, now I would say most lip glosses nowadays. It's cushiony, it's hydrating, and makes your lips look instantly fuller. Drawer number 4. Another full size. Woohoo! Okay, this is classic. Full size of the Rockin' Kohl eyeliner in Barbaria Brown. And this is the original formula. It's pigmented, it's creamy, it's perfect for anyone who also suffers from like dry eyes, like especially the corner of my eyes get really watery sometimes. It gives you that sultry look that Charlotte Tilbury is really known for. She uses this always. I just love, there's something about it that's so subtle, but it really does define your eyes. It softens the eyes, especially if you have like dark brown or or darker eye color in general. Drawer 5 brings us the full size Exaggerize Volume Mascara in Exagger Black. I can't believe you have a full size of this. It's a little heavy. It lifts though, it lengthens though, separates and makes your lashes look like you're wearing, honestly, a half lash extension. Drawer number 6, We've got, okay, that's okay, because we have a lot of full size, but we've got a tiny travel size of the Matte Revolution lipstick. I'm not going to test it out. In Walk of No Shame. This shade is iconic. If you know, you know. A berry rose red that really flatters every skin tone. And the formula is matte, but without feeling dry. And that is very important, because we don't want to look like The Walking Dead now, do we? Drawer number 7 is another travel size, but I'm telling you, before I got the actual full size of this specific, I'm so in love with her skincare. I think almost more than her makeup, to be quite honest. But this is a travel size Magic Cream. This is her water cream. And honestly, this might be my favorite moisturizer ever. And yes, I said that. It creates the smoothest base for makeup. I just love how her products, though you have to be careful, because if I one time applied a little too much of her skincare and I pilled. So careful. But if you've never tried the Magic Cream, this is your sign. You're going to be addicted. Gorgeous, gorgeous formula. Love all her skincare, if I haven't said that 75,000 times yet. Drawer number 8. I swear I'm not going to break this. Ooh-hoo. Yes, sir-ree. We have the viral, the one, the only, the full-size Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand in the iconic Pillow Talk shade. This is an oldie, but a goodie, and it will always be. This is that blush highlighter hybrid glow that people just restock in bulk. Myself. It adds like that soft, rosy sheen, and it just makes your skin look candlelit, even at 10 a.m. when you're going to Whole Foods, okay? This alone is a moment. Let's take a moment and bow down to this right now, okay? Moment of silence. All right, snap out of it, Cheryl. Here we go. We're moving on up. Drawer number 9. It is definitely titled the right way, because this, I don't know what's in this, but this is Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, gorgeous, smoothing, glow boosting serum made with vitamin C, niacinamide, and peptides, and boy, does it do a face good. It really is the key to skincare for me. And the vitamin C isn't too strong to where you have to use it lightly, meaning like not daily. You can definitely use this daily. I first got this in the travel size. Now I've got I wish I could show you, but I can't right now. But it's huge, the full size. It'll take me years. Hopefully it doesn't expire anytime soon. But this is perfect for travel, perfect for prepping the skin before makeup, and perfect if you want that glass skin but mature skin friendly finish, if you know what I mean. Just a couple more drawers. I mean, this is a great gift. I kind of like, why did I give this away? Just kidding. You deserve it. Drawer number 10, the one, the only, the viral travel size, but a good size. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which I have all over my face. This setting spray is legendary for a reason. It locks in your glam, melts the powder into your skin, keeps everything in place for hours, and more importantly, keeps your skin looking glowy and hydrated. This is it. This is my holy grail, and it will be yours as well. Lucky number 11. We have, okay, this is a travel size lip cheat in the matching shade Walk of No Shame. It's beautiful, yummy, creamy. I prefer more pencils, like lip pencils, but this has a great mix between pencil and cream. I have to say, though, that honestly, Charlotte Tilbury does matching lip sets so well. And if you're into that, they're selling currently at Sephora so many different Charlotte Tilbury lip sets. Last but not least, hopefully we end with a bang. Unfortunately, don't hold your breath, because we don't, but it's travel size, okay? Warning, warning, warning. If I could give a note, Miss Charlotte Tilbury, MBE, come over here. Next year, can we please end on a high note? Because this little travel size Matte Revolution lipstick and Walk of No Freaking Shame, well, let me tell you, we could have done better. You can't deny that anything Charlotte Tilbury is absolutely luxe. So let's go over the giveaway rules one more time. So to enter to win this exact Charlotte Tilbury 2025 Beauty Treasure Chest Advent Calendar, 1, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Number 2, like this video, not too hard. 3, share this video to your Instagram stories and tag me at Cheryl Burke so I can see your entry. Don't forget. 4, share this video with a friend or your followers as usual. And last but not least, this is another little minor shift and change as opposed to the original giveaway rules. Comment below your top 5, not 1, 5 makeup products that you have been reaching for this year, 2025. I'll be choosing the winner very soon. Make sure whoever I do crown the winner, DM me on Instagram, your address and all that information so I can get you your treasure chest as soon as possible, okay? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for this unboxing. I hope this brought a little holiday magic to your day. If you want more unboxings, beauty tutorials, or get ready with me's, let me know in the comments. I also have a very special announcement I will be announcing next week on the 19th, so mark your calendars so that you're one of the first people to hear what I will be announcing. I can't believe it. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. That's right, we are unboxing the brand new Charlotte Tilbury. Hold on. Wah, wah. Oh my God. We're unboxing the brand new. Hell, my nails are gonna fall off and I'm gonna be pissed. I'm standing up. Hold on, I can't stand up because my head's cut off. Oh God, this did not go as planned, folks. Okay, I don't want to break this. Hold on. We're starting over.